This is what happens when you microwave gum for 1 minute and 30 seconds. I don't know how to edit and cut it to where I put it on, so I just waited until I had 30 seconds left and I started recording. Guys, I can't see what's happening. Comment down below what's happening. Oh, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what happened. Oh, guys, no. Ooh, it's... Another 30 seconds. That should do the job. Epic cutscene of looking at gravel. 30 seconds have passed. Oh my. It's so easy to break apart. All of a sudden, mushy. And that's what happens when you microwave gum for 2 minutes.